Good morning everyone, welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today is your birthday and it is Friday. Actually, I think it's Friday for me and Friday for you. I love when that happens, as you guys know. I am on the struggle bus this morning though. It is a challenge over here. If you missed my last vlog, last night Connor and I went to dinner at his cousin's house who lives near us. Got to hang out with their kids, which are so freaking cute. It was so fun. Wine was really the low win, big time. We went through a lot of bottles. Connor must be dying because he definitely drank more than me, but yeah, it was like, you know, one too many glasses. I don't feel like too hungover. Like I have like the potential for a headache, but it's not actually happening. Fingers crossed, knock on wood. But I just feel exhausted, which makes sense because we were out pretty late. Connor and I didn't go to bed until like after 1 and then had to wake up at like 7:45 this morning. Well, Connor did, and that just woke me up. So anyway, it has been a rough start to the day. And today's gonna be sort of crazy busy because we're actually house sitting for those same cousins. They're going away for the weekend with their kids. And so they asked if we would come and just house sit and watch their dog. So that'll be really fun. Very excited. Their dog is so cute, Cooper. So I'm actually going over there around noon because they have to leave by 1. Connor has a meeting at noon, so I'm just gonna go over there myself. They're gonna give us like the keys, the lowdown on like everything that needs to happen while we're there. So that's happening, and then we're just gonna have a nice house to hang out in for the weekend. They have a really nice big backyard. They have a grill, so it should be a really nice fun time. So I don't know how much of it I'll vlog. So anyway, that is the lowdown on the day, and I need to get to work because it's 9:30 and I haven't even opened my laptop yet. I've just been slow to get moving. Luckily, Connor and I actually are using this weekend as a great excuse to not do anything. Both of us are just feeling a little worn down and we're just wanting to chill, so there's gonna be a lot of relaxing, reading. I'm gonna work a little bit over the weekend, play some Sims. You know, it's gonna be just a very chill weekend, and that is exactly what I need. So that is everything, and let me hop into some work for the day. Look at this little cat just fully laying out in the sun here. So cute. I'm sorry for disturbing you. Oh, you see that squirrel? Oh yeah, you do. You're such a good girl. It's okay, you don't need to worry about this squirrel. Okay, just got dressed and packed up my bag, so I'm pretty much ready to go now. I really should probably call my Uber in like 5 minutes. I mean less. I should definitely call it right now because Ubers have been taking so long to get here. It's ridiculous. So I need to plan a little ahead here, but we are in pretty good shape as far as packing goes. Oh my gosh, you know what I almost forgot? My book. That's like my whole plan for this weekend.
You can't forget that.
No. But yeah, I think other than that, I'm in pretty good shape here with everything I need. Of course, I way overpacked for a weekend when we're not leaving the house. So I will definitely be in the same thing every day. So I'm gonna go ahead and call my car and I'll check in with you guys a little bit later in the day. Okay guys, a couple hours later and we are at our house for the weekend here, which is very exciting. And our sweet little pup, oh, he does not want to come inside because he's excited to get to go for a walk. You want to go for a walk? Sweet Cooper. Okay, we're going to take him out right now. We ordered some lunch and yeah, we're on our way. Back from our walk. Oh, I should not have said that word. That's my bad. They called them W's to not get him excited. Luckily, he seems exhausted, so I don't think he cares much right now. But anyway, we are back. We tried to order food for lunch, and then it canceled us because it said our Postmate had like a personal emergency or something. I don't really know what the deal is, but the people whose house we're staying at, they have tons of food, and they said that we can like help ourselves. And in particular, they were talking about these, or they told us that we can eat these Sunbasket meals. It's like a meal prep company. I've never tried them before, but there was a chickpea paella in here, which sounds pretty yummy, so that's what we're going to make. Check out this chickpea paella. It's really coming together here. It smells amazing. It looks so good. I'm very, very excited for this. All right, and lunch is complete. We garnished with olives and some parsley, and it looks so yummy. I'm so excited to dive into this. Got to do a little taste test, I suppose, and Coop is out here hanging out with us. Coop, oh, that's such a good boy. Yeah, good boy. Look at him. This is sweet. How was it? Yummy?
Wow. The roasted tomato into it. So good. Oh yeah, delicious.
Good morning, everyone. It is the next day, and I figured that I would just make this like a combo weekend vlog, so I didn't worry too much about vlogging yesterday. We were pretty lame anyway. We were asleep by 11, if not before, let's be honest.
Yeah, it was close.
It was a pretty slow day, but it's 9 a.m. right now, and we are going to go out to this coffee shop nearby called 310 Coffee, which apparently has really great coffee and pastries. So I'm gonna go there. We can bring Cooper with us. Coop, you excited? Now you have to leave Duck at home. He loves his duck. Now you gotta leave him at home, bud. You can't bring Duck with you. He's like, but. Look at this good boy.
Who's this good boy? Come on,
Let's go, Coop. Oh, he is in full play mode. We got the goods. I got an iced matcha, Connor got a cold brew. We decided to split a piece of avocado toast and a chocolate croissant, which looks so amazing. I'm very excited for that. And Coop is being such a good boy. Coop, you're so silly. Just made it back to the house, and I thought I would introduce you guys to Sweet Cooper here. He's such a sweet boy.
Such a handsome boy, too.
So handsome and good.
Oh, look at the tail going with Jilly.
Yeah, our boy. This is our dog for the weekend. We love him so much.
We might steal him.
Such a good boy.
Want to be a big brother to Molly?
Yeah, Molly would hate you.
Oh, I don't know. Cooper's so nice.
Yeah, that's true. He's fully rusty on my arm now.
Yeah. It's like, if I sleep here, she has to stay.
That's right. I will stay. And I thought it'd be fun to tell you guys a funny story about Cooper.
Yeah.
So, Coop is about 6 years old. He got adopted from this farm, sorry, the lighting is super weird. I'm trying to find a good spot. There we go. He got adopted from this farm because they got him to turn him into a hunting dog, and he was no good at that. So they had to get rid of him, and that's how Ben and Emma found him on some like adoption website and went over and got him. And look at this boy.
He's like constantly sniffing when he's on a walk.
Oh yeah, you could tell that he's like been trained to do that, but clearly was not
great.
Very good. And this is the backyard that we'll be spending. It's a lovely noise. We'll be spending most of our time this weekend because we don't have a place like this to hang out at ours. And it is just so nice out here. Got a little Isla's teepee, so cute. Have this big grassy area here where Cooper clearly likes to hang. And then over here, there's this really pretty pergola. There are great string lights. And this comfy couch for us to hang out on. So I think we are going to read our books here and just relax outside for a while. Okay, Connor and I just got lunch delivered. I was really craving a salad, so we got some California Chicken Cafe, got their Chinese chicken salad, which is 10 out of 10 amazing. You can also add avocado to it for free. They don't charge you, which is incredible. It's not just like a little slice, it's half an avocado. Pretty incredible. So very excited about this. And the Chinese chicken salad really is it from California Chicken Cafe. Connor got the same thing but in wrap form, which is also amazing. And I think we're gonna crack open this bottle of rosé that we bought this morning. This is from a brand called Prophecy. Connor said that he recognized it, but I've never seen it before. But it looks like the exact color of rosé that I like, which is really light. I don't like when rosés are like super dark. Just am not a big fan of that flavor. But when they're really light colored like this, I could like drink this whole bottle myself. So we're gonna eat outside. We're just literally enjoying that backyard as much as possible. Probably listen to some music, sip our rosé, eat our lunch. It's gonna be so nice. Very excited. I don't even know if that bowl is big enough.
Yeah, right?
Really big salad. Okay, apparently this bowl is the perfect size because that's how big of a salad this is.
Oh my god, look at this salad.
The bowl is full.
Are you feeding like a family?
Apparently.
Make your way through it.
I was gonna say, good thing I can eat like a family. Like, look at this thing. But it's going to taste amazing. Exactly what I'm craving. Up, get up. So I can tell you. Okay, paw, paw. Good boy. Okay.
See if you can get him to lie down. Nice.
Okay, can you roll over? Oh. Okay, sit, good boy. Okay, we'll see if you can catch this one. Okay, sit, good boy. Here it is. Get it. He has
doesn't even
no
try.
ability that way. Okay, we'll give you a little bit more.
Cooper.
Sit. Okay, ready? Catch. Oh, you're getting close in there, Coop.
At least you tried this
Okay,
time.
hold on. You're getting so close to me. There's no room to even throw. Stay, 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 stay.
Wow.
Stay. No, stay. That's a good boy. Okay, come here. My whole hand went in his mouth.
Yeah.
Sit. Stay. Stay.
No shot at being the next Air Bud.
No, I don't think so. Stay there though. Ready? Catch. Not coordinated. That's it. Sorry. You ate all of them. There's no more. But this is a good boy. Such a good boy. A couple hours later, and Brendan has joined us here now. Where is he? There he is. We're actually gonna grill tonight. We just ran to the store and picked up like sausages and a bunch of stuff. It's gonna be really good. In the meantime, I'm gonna teach Brendan how to play Catan because he's never played before, and we all want to play a game tonight.
No start tutorial, right?
Yeah, don't. Okay, so I'm gonna add you as a friend. Let's do this. Connor's got the grill rolling over here. I am so excited for these actually. It's gonna be so yummy.
Should be.
Very much looking forward to them.
Me too.
Next day, it's Sunday, and we are out for our last walk with our little Coop here.
Throw out our coffee, Cooper.
Cooper licked Connor's coffee cup. Wow, that was a lot of C's. Cooper licked Connor's coffee cup.
Wow.
It's a sort of like gray day here, which honestly is fine for me because I want to end the relaxation weekend with more relaxation. But yesterday was so much fun. It was so fun playing Catan.
Yeah, we got Brendan fully hooked.
So hooked.
He's
so
immediately better than me, it seems like.
He's better than both of us. But he only has one technique that works for him, so if you prevent that from happening, he's gonna have to learn some new tricks.
Strategies.
Yeah.
2 dominating victories by Miss Cimorelli.
Yes, where like you guys had 3 points and I had 10. It was ridiculous.
It was wild.
Yeah. I don't even understand it, really.
Although a while since you got back on the board.
Oh my god, yeah, I won the last time we played with Tara, but I don't think it was like an exciting win or anything, so. But feeling good, on a good roll, and honestly, I am like more addicted to Catan than ever, it feels like.
Kidding.
I am loving it. Like I will play it anytime anyone wants to play, I will play Catan.
What would
so
you
fun.
rate our domesticated weekend?
Oh, 10 out of 10.
I agree.
I wouldn't change a thing.
It went exactly as I hoped it would.
Same, it was great.
It was so relaxing. After a stressful week, it was like the best.
Right? Love playing house.
Exactly.
Look at this happy pup.
Yeah.
He's so cute. This was so fun. Back home with my nugget. Hi, bestie. I love you. Got home a little while ago actually though, and just been sort of like around the place, just putzing around, whatever. Connor's in the shower now. We ordered Jinya ramen, which I am so excited for. It's a little gray out today, so very excited for a nice like warm bowl of soup. It's gonna be 10 out of 10. And last night I fell asleep when Connor and I were trying to watch a Formula 1 episode, so I'm going to rewatch this episode while Connor's in the shower. Also made myself a chai here. Yum, delish. Oh, and I opened this box because I didn't know what it was, but very excited about this little package I got. So this is a package from JWP, which is actually one of my favorite purse brands in general. This tan bag back here, I get so many questions about where I got this from. It's from JWP, although I don't think they make that one anymore, unfortunately. But that is my favorite purse, like pretty much in general. So very excited, just got a new package in from them. They let me pick out one of these bags, which are so cute and trendy right now. These little guys. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. The color is perfect. It's actually pretty damn spacious inside too, which I was like surprised about because it looks sort of tiny. I think it's just a really good like going out to dinner bag, or
you know, something like that, because obviously it is handheld, so not great on the go necessarily, but it is so trendy and adorable and I just love it. So big thank you to them. I'm going to link this down below for you guys if you're interested, and you should just check out their bags in general because they are a great price, and mine have lasted me for so long. I probably got that bag like 2 or 3 years ago at this point. 3, probably more than 3, honestly. And it has had sangria spilled on it. It's like gone through the ringer. It's been poured down rain on, and it still looks beautiful. So can't say enough good things about their bags. Definitely check them out. Dinner time now, and the grand finale of our weekend is PBLC Trade Pizza. We got 2 different kinds here. Both are so good. Oh, wow. I'm dying. So this is a capicola pizza, and it has like a spiced honey on it. It's really good. And then this is prosciutto and burrata, which is also freaking insane. Both of these are just absolutely ridiculous pizza. I'm so excited. Well, that will wrap up this sort of random sporadic weekend vlog. Hope that you guys enjoyed it. It was such a chill, relaxing weekend, and it actually felt pretty long, which is really nice and always very welcome when a weekend feels long. Of course, never long enough, but what are you gonna do? And it's bedtime now, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.